Go.
Hi everybody, and welcome back to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jam, and this is my jam. This is going to be a true unboxing. The only thing I've opened so far is just this side right here with my handy dandy knife. I got something that I have not seen any unboxings of online, at least not that I could find. I want to do it right from the get-go to show you exactly everything and how it comes. This is brand new. I got it right from the boutique, I guess you'd say, or from the company. And they do courtesy-free one-day shipping. So this was ordered yesterday and arrived today. And just like as promised, that's what happened, and you do not pay anything for shipping. Shipping is free, complimentary. So this is how it arrives, and yeah, just wanted to say it did come exactly in one day, just like it said. It's here actually first thing this morning. So here's my box. So here's how it comes packaged. You can see right now what I got is from Celine. This feels really heavy. Really surprised. It was packaged with some tissue along the edges. It sounds good to me. I'm just gonna set that off to the side here, like before. And this is awesome because I've never seen one of these boxes. So it's a nice white cardboard box, real sturdy. Looks nice. Nothing appears to have been damaged in shipping. So that's cool. Open it up. Maybe. Yes. Nice and securely packaged. Hey, the box is a little hard to get off, but no, the top. Okay. All right. So here's how it became packaged. Just like this. Nice little pillow here. Just got my card and receipt. And then here's my item. So yeah, it's all pillowed, really nice. There's a little pillow in here that you can see. Keeps it nice and safe. I got this. Now the bag is black. I have one other Celine bag, and the bag was white and more cloth. This is kind of more like a nylon-y material maybe, but there's a really neat pattern in it. Let's see if we can show that kind of up closer, try to catch it. The patterning on it, it's black with, like, it almost looks like a wood pattern. But this is from Celine. You might be able to guess what it is now, just based on size. To reveal, I'm going to take it out just as is. My new Celine Nano bag. So this is, I forgot what this was called. It wasn't called denim, maybe textile, but it's got the typical zippered front. It's got the little holder in the back. This is all calfskin leather, just super soft, kind of that nice brown color that everybody's been loving lately with Chanel and stuff. The bottom is also in a soft calfskin, and it's got a zipper pull, nice and smooth. And then I'm just going to open it here, take all the tons of good packaging in here. Here's the strap. It does have a detachable strap. Let's see if it's adjustable. Let's see. Nope, not adjustable, just detachable. And then the inside of the bag, this is packed so nice, is just this beautiful calfskin. If you can see it in here, have my camera person do a close-up. It's just the same beautiful calfskin as out here, and then it has a slip pocket with more Celine information in it. But yeah, oh my gosh, I absolutely love this. I got my first Celine Nano from Fashion File, as you saw if you watched one of my other unboxings, but I never bought anything brand new. The price on this was really reasonable. I think it was $2,100, Their full leather bags are always like 27 or more. And I just love this because the interior is all leather. This will go, I mean, I wear jeans all the time, so this is awesome. And for once, you don't have to worry about any color transfer because you have the fabric right there. Oh my gosh, I just love this. I love this. I love my Celine Nano, the one I already had. So it was kind of a no-brainer that I was going to get another one. I was just looking for the right kind. I thought maybe I was going to do a gray pebbled leather, but no, I love this. This is awesome. Have the camera person show it up closer, like just the material, in case you want to kind of take a look at that. But yeah, I just love this. I love the size of it. I love everything it fits. I love the little face with the eyes and the mouth. And yeah, so that's my little Celine Nano. If you guys want me to do what fits in my bag or anything like that, just let me know. Oh, this is just so nice. I can't believe it's so smooth and nice. It does look to be the same size as my other Celine Nano. And yeah, I couldn't be more pleased. I don't see anything wrong with this. No nicks, no scratches, no nothing. And again, there's just something about a leather interior in a bag. Someday maybe I'll get my Chanel classic flap, but until then, wow, I am just really, really pleased with this. It smells like leather. Yeah, I don't know what else to say, so if you have any questions, leave them down below. I just really want to thank you for watching and stopping by, and until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thanks.